Welcome. In this video we are doing question on multi-tone amplitude modulation. So it says that the antenna current of an AM broadcast transmitter modulated to a depth of 100% by a sine wave is root 3 by 2 ampere. So there is a AM broadcast transmitter whose current is modulated with a modulation index of 1 because it says a depth of 100% and its current is under root 3 by 2 ampere. Now it says that it increases to root 2 ampere due to simultaneous modulation by another sine wave. So it is a case of multi-tone AM modulation because there is simultaneous modulations by two sine waves. So it is a case of multi-tone amplitude modulation. So we have to find the modulation index due to second sine wave. So let's say current I1 is equal to IC 1 plus mu square by 2. Mu1 square by 2. And mu1 is given to us as 1. I1 is given to us as root 3 whole of root 3 by 2. I2 is given as root 2. So I1 is IC 1 plus mu1 square by 2 and mu1 is 1. So I1 is root 3 by 2 whole root 3 by 2 is equal to IC into 1 plus 1 by 2. So if you solve it, it will also become root 3 by 2. So IC will be equal to 1. Now this IC will not change because it is current in carrier. So this current will never change. What we will change is this I1, I2 and this modulation index. So now we are finding the current I2. The formula for current I2 is IC under root of 1 plus mu square by 2, where mu is under root of mu1 square plus mu2 square. Mu1 is the modulation index of the first sine wave and mu2 is the modulation index due to second sine wave. So again IC will remain 1 and I2 is given as root 2. So root 2 is equal to 1 plus mu square by 2. So 1 plus mu square by 2 is equal to 2. So mu square is equal to 2. Now we know that mu1 is 1. Total modulation index is the square of the total modulation index is 2. What we have to find is the modulation index due to second sine wave. So we have to find mu2 square. So here we put mu square is 2. So squaring both these sides, mu square is squaring both sides of this equation. So we get mu square is equal to mu1 square plus mu2 square. And mu square we have found to be 2. So 2 is equal to, and mu1 is 1. 1 plus mu2 square. So from this mu2 square is 1 and mu2 is also 1. So the correct option is A 0.5, B 0.707, C 1.0, D 0.866. So the correct option is C 1.0. What we did is we first find the IC value from this data that I1 is root 3 by 2 and mu1 is 1. Then we found the total modulation index because this antenna current is modulated by another simultaneously modulated by another sine wave. So here we found total modulation index mu. So mu square is 2 and mu is mu1 square plus mu2 square. So substituting these values we found the modulation index due to second sine wave, which is mu2, and mu1 was the modulation index due to first sine wave, so it is given as depth of 100%. So mu1 is 1 because the depth is given as 100%. So when his depth is 100%, then modulation index is 1. Thank you.